Imagine sending SMS messages just by typing a simple command in your terminal. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn your Android phone into an SMS gateway for Kimi CLI, so you can send text messages directly from your AI assistant. Let's dive in. How does this solution work? Kimi CLI connects to the Android phone through the MCP protocol, allowing the AI assistant to send messages that are forwarded by the phone via the mobile network to the recipient. What is Kimi CLI? Kimi CLI is an open-source, terminal-based AI assistant developed by Moonshot AI that allows developers to interact with the Kimi large language model directly from the command line and supports MCP servers for extending functionality with external tools. What is an Android SMS MCP server? An Android SMS MCP server is a model context protocol server that runs directly on an Android smartphone and exposes SMS functionality as structured tools that any MCP-compatible AI client can call to send real SMS messages through the phone's SIM card. To use this solution, you first need to download and install the Android SMS Gateway app on your Android phone. You can scan the QR code displayed on screen or visit the URL to download the app, which will enable your phone to connect to Kimi CLI over Wi-Fi using the MCP protocol. Before you can use the MCP SMS server, you need to install the Ozeki SMS client on your Android device. The app will serve as the local SMS gateway that Kimi CLI connects to over your Wi-Fi network. Make sure both devices are on the same local network, as this is required for the HTTP connection to work. Open the Ozeki SMS client app on your Android device and tap the MCP tab in the bottom navigation bar. Tap the toggle switch to start the MCP server and grant any permission requests that appear, including access to SMS messages. The toggle will switch from stopped to running and the API endpoint URL will appear below. Copy this URL as you will need it when configuring Kimi CLI in the next step. To add the SMS MCP server config to Kimi CLI, open a terminal window and run the Kimi MCP add command with the server address from your Android device. Then run the Kimi MCP test command to verify the connection and confirm that the Send SMS tool is listed among the available tools. To test SMS sending, launch Kimi CLI from your terminal. Type a plain language instruction asking the AI to send an SMS to a specific phone number, and Kimi CLI will call the Send SMS tool to process your request. If prompted, confirm the tool used to allow the AI to send the SMS. You will then see the result of the Send SMS tool call displayed in the terminal, confirming that your message has been successfully queued for delivery. Open the Ozeki SMS client app and navigate to the Settings tab, then tap the Log option to view the request and response history. Select the MCP tab to see the incoming tool call request from Kimi CLI and confirm that your SMS was dispatched successfully. And that's it. You now have Kimi CLI connected to your Android phone as a fully functional SMS gateway. Go ahead and experiment with sending messages using simple prompts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more AI integration guides. Thanks for watching.